Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take a moment and show you our brand new 2020 320 Vantage from Boston Whale. I'm up here in the bow. We'll show you guys the outside here in a second. I just wanted to show you this beautiful bow area with port and starboard loungers. Flip down armrest. Notice this portside double wide. So you and the kids, you by yourself with all the room, a little bit of everything. There's a cooler box underneath here. See this nice convenient little step, so I can get on and off the bow, and then off to the dock. We have this particular boat with the bow split rail, as well as the bow boarding ladder, and then of course the windlass option with the stainless steel anchor. We also have the bow shower that conveniently pulls out in the front. We've also added the bow rod holders, which also accommodate our bow sunshade. So that comes right off the front of the hardtop and it deploys all to the front with our stanchions and secures back to the top of the brow there. Big, robust, over-engineered swing door, tempered glass. Everything you're gonna know about the Whaler is just extremely solid. You'll see this square tubing for strength, and again a nice robust substructure for our oversized hardtop. We've got nice courtesy lights all throughout, as well as the port access lights in the hardtop. This boat does have the canvas option, so we've got our weather curtains that are stored down below in a nice convenient carry case. At the helm here we have our Raymarine 16-inch touchscreen hybrid, as well as our vessel view for our Mercury. All of our pumps, all of our lights. Our standard fusion system. This boat does have the upgraded premium stereo audio with JL speaker upgrade. We have VHF radio, active trim for Mercury, our push button controls, as well as our throttle and joystick option for our Mercuries. Got the Ghost spotlight control there as well, and the power seats right there off to the side of the helm. Coming up this way, we'll show you the large head. So you see this very robust Corian incorporated sink, as well as a little shower that pulls out there. Nice little teak sitting step, so you can use this for also storage, or in the case of a head, with storage in the back compartments there in our cedar closets. Big wind deflector walks through there too as well. It works with our walk-through window. Looking down in the port day head, or day berth, excuse me. So underneath here we've actually got our covers, our bow and cockpit covers that are stored, and as well as our bow sunshade that we mentioned that was up on the bow. Storage access under there, as well as cedar storage up front. This bench seat can also be very convenient for going to the dinner. Wives and women don't want to get their hair all messed up, or if you're out with the kids one day, you just want to kind of slide this cushion over, and now you have a nice little spot to take a nap or get out of the weather for a little bit. Coming throughout, you'll see we have the Aztec teak, the fake teak, all incorporated throughout the cockpit. So this is no maintenance, easy to scrub, easy to keep clean. On the port side, we have the double flip down seats, the double passenger, and again, this is power up and down over here. Speakers right there conveniently, cup holders right behind me. Very similar style helm chair. Again, that pivots, goes ups and down with the power button like we mentioned earlier. Storage access in the floor here. Nice convenient cubby. Coming to the back, we have our patented flip seats here. So you have these multiple positions for the lounge you can accommodate. This seat also flips and pivots. Once we get this stuff out of the way here, sorry about that. And that pivots on around. It goes to the entertaining area. You'll see my subwoofers just behind here. As we go through, there's going to be cup holders and grab handles for safety, but as well as USB power and then 12-volt power at most of the convenient seating options. We have our kitchen Corian prep area. So we have storage glove box back here. your prep sink with hot and cold, our live well. This boat does have the fishing package, excuse me. Our 12-volt refrigerator, as well as valve for our live well, as well as storage access down below. We have our water and pump systems for our fishing needs. Coming across the back, we have our standard starboard port entry. Tucks in, there's a dive ladder that deploys, stored underneath the transom seats there. Fish box in the floor, as well as a smaller version on the port side. Going through the back, we have a nice, convenient, standard starboard walk-through transom. Again, a nice, conveniently placed freshwater shower. Rod holders across the back, and again, that S-Tech flows across the back of the transom, as well as with our 300 Verados from Mercury with those joystick steering. Just here we have our big aft bench seat that conveniently deploys and comes out. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour inside. We're going to take a moment, we're going to step around and take a look at the outside. Alright guys, now we're outside. I'm just going to show you light copper coat, silver accent stripe. Implement those engines in the back there. Our stainless steel rubber all insert. Our polished stainless steel windlass on the front. Again, that beautiful bow rail to complement those stainless steel accents. Robust hardware, and again that robust frame. Rocket holder, rocket launchers that incorporated in there, as well as the aft sunshade that we didn't get to see from inside. That deploys all the way out to right about the transom seat that we saw and sat in. Again, we got the chrome graphics to match. Big, robust, again, tabs. We got joystick piloting with our warning lights, as well as our Lumitech underwater lights here. This boat also has 3D sonar imaging from Mercury, so that's an all-added option on this one. Boat does have shore power with those systems that we saw on board. And again, our twin Mercury Verado 300s. And as we get a look at the starboard side here, you'll see that big in-swinging guide door that you can look at from the inside. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of our 2020 320 Vantage from Boston Whaler. If you guys have any questions, please reach out at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson, guys, from MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.